ALDI Mobile's data system starts with your data balance, which is your monthly data allowance. This is the high-speed data you get each billing cycle. Next is expiry. Your data typically expires 30 days from when you recharge or activate your plan. Unused data will be lost if not rolled over. Rollover data is the unused portion of your monthly allowance that automatically carries over to the next cycle. There's usually a limit on how much you can roll over, depending on your plan. Some premium plans include a data bank feature. This allows you to save up to 50 gigabytes of unused data for up to 12 months. You need to opt into this feature through the ALDI Mobile app. When using data, you consume it in this order. First, your current monthly data, then any rollover data, and finally your data bank if available. Using these features wisely helps you maximize your ALDI Mobile plan. The app's real-time rollover tracking and expiry alerts make managing your data straightforward.